Hey there, Ramblers Rovers, this is Miguel, and today I am teaching you the ultimate travel hack to pack your bags. How to turn this into this. So good. This is called the rolling technique. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put all of the same category of clothes together and we're gonna roll them into one compact mass of clothes that we are then going to forcibly stuff into the small bag. And this is how you make the most of the space without the need for packing cubes or any other extra things. This is something that anybody and everybody can do. Rolling the clothes in this way, if you're careful enough, you can even keep shirts and t-shirts, any kind of clothes, wrinkle-free, which is an added bonus to this. So today we are packing this mess into this tiny little bag. Packing efficiently is important and it is a traveler's bane. We all have to pack for our travels and we all have to do it efficiently. And we all want to make the best of those juicy benefits from packing life, whether it's not straining your back or whether it's flying carry-on instead of documenting your luggage, or even making use of an airline's lightweight price. This is the ultimate way to take more in less. So here on the bed behind me, we have a total of 10 shirts, 3 shorts and 1 pants. So this would be probably the equivalent of maybe a week or a couple weeks worth of travel clothes if you know how to administer them. So the technique starts by sorting everything into a pile like this, and then we begin by folding in the tops of the shirts like so. And then begins the rolling. We roll the clothes together to make this beautiful, perfect mass of clothes. And then we do the same with our pants. We can always fold them over like this, roll them over this way. So now we are going to put everything into our day pack, starting with the heaviest items at the bottom. Usually it'll be the pants, but for this example we are using the shirts. The reason behind this is so that you can manage the weight effectively and it doesn't hurt your back. Close it up. And voila! We have 1 or 2 weeks worth of clothes in a tiny, tiny backpack, and we still have plenty of more space to put in socks, underwear, or accessories, or anything else that you might need. There is a total of 15 large or standard sized clothes in here, and you can still fit even more within it. So there you go. This is the rolling packing technique that I personally use to pack for my adventures. There have even been trips where I have traveled for 6 months using just this small bag. So I hope you guys found this technique useful. Hopefully you can use it for your own next travels and it'll make the packing process a little less painful. If you found this video useful, be sure to smash that subscribe button for more expert travel tips and beautiful adventures from all over the world. We'll catch you on our next travels. See you soon. Adios.